So this is our final video from read write issue section. Previously, in previous 3 videos, we have discussed on dirty read, non-repeatable read and phantom reads. These 3 were associated with the read property. Now the final thing is lost updates, which is associated with the write property. So now assume I am having an account table, user ID 1 having initial balance 500 rupees. Transaction T1 and transaction T2 both at the same time trying to execute it on the same row. Transaction T1 and T2, they are firing a select query, UID equal to 1, selecting balance. Same transaction T2 is doing. They both are able to see 500 rupees in both the cases. Now what is happening is transaction T1 is updating the balance with 500. So now the new balance is 1000. Transaction T2 is updating the balance with 300. So now he is able to see 800. Both the transactions are now getting exited. But what would happen after the end of the transaction? So either of one would get updated basically. So let's say transaction 1 is getting committed first, then my balance is 1000, but then transaction 2, after that he is committing, so my 1 is getting replaced, and now the new balance is 800. So this is called the loss update. One transaction and the second transaction. So one transaction write is overwriting the second transaction value. This is called the loss update. How to resolve this is a property of isolation that we are discussing in our ACID properties. Thanks.